the activator poles, first of all, be sure that you have the right pole in the right hand and the left pole in the left hand. So look for the large L and the large R on the top of the core grip handles. And then hold on to the handles with what we call an easy grip or even a loose grip. There's no benefit to holding on tightly, but do make sure your fingers are all the way around the handles. Stand very tall, lift your rib cage up, shoulders relaxed, and shoulders are over top the hips. Now when we step forward, we're going to use the opposite leg and arm. So if I step forward with my right foot, I'm going to take the left pole forward. And when I step with the left foot, it's the right pole forward. Notice that I'm keeping the poles vertical, so the bell-shaped tip on the bottom is always underneath the core grip handle on the top. It's also really important to press down on the ledge of the handles. So as you plant the pole, take the outside edge of your hand and press down. That's going to give you stability, balance, and also really tighten up your core muscles. So stand tall, an easy, loose grip with the hands, press down on the ledge of the handles.